Had a couple friends try to unalive themselves recently. One's still in the hospital, the other one just kind of shut down and rejected the world. Doesn't answer phone calls, texts, anything, just kind of shut the world out. Their small win is that they're still here. They can still make things better. This world can get dark. Everyone's trying to climb a mountain. Everyone's going on their own path. But sometimes it can be so dark you can't see the mountain. When night comes, you just can't see the path. And all you can see is that next step. Sometimes that's the right choice. When you're out of choices and all you can see is the next step, that's the right choice. Take that step. And another, until the morning comes and the sun breaks out and you can see the entire path again. Sometimes small wins is brushing your teeth when you couldn't get out of bed, making a phone call, writing that email. Celebrate your small victories. Sometimes a small victory is saying no when you always say yes, or saying yes because fear told you to say no. Small wins are the proof that you did not quit. These don't happen with awards and ceremonies and clapping and fireworks. Sometimes the only one who sees it is you. My small win is I started this channel 2 days ago. I got 850 views and 3 subscribers. Thank you guys for that. Couldn't have done it without you, literally. I celebrated by getting a new dog. Check him out. His name is Andy. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. Thank you for this small win. Celebrate your small wins.